Hi there everyone, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to another demonstration today. We are keeping the Christmas theme going with lots of winter scenes. So I created this using the grey round card, and I think this was quite popular. The last one I did went down really well and I really enjoyed working with it. We're going to get started with a smoothie and our white pan pastel, and all I'm going to do is just make that a little lighter in the middle there. It's just about making it a little bit lighter so this silhouette stands out really well. We also do the glitter one of these, which I think would be quite nice too. I've not yet tried it. Next up, we're going to use one of our wreaths. So I'm going to ink up using the Twilight. It's a little less harsh than the black. So let's just ink that up. And then I'm going to pop that around the card. So give that a good press. And then we'll follow that round. Along the edge there, another good press. And then I've got a little bit more to do here, so I'm just going to ink up part of this. Don't need to ink up the full thing. And let's line that up the best that we can, just for that last bit. There we go. And now the next thing I'm going to do is taking our very small stamp here. This is a nice little flourish, nice fine bit of detail. And I'm going to take the metallic gilding polish and I'm going to pop some down on the mat here. And all I'm going to do is add a little bit of flourish around the edge. So just gently working my way all the way around, and it gives that gorgeous shimmer. You might not be able to see it until I hold it perhaps to the light. I think you might be able to see that now. So it's that lovely metallic finish. And now we're going to take some of our pastel pencils. This is a colour that I used in the other card, which is fabulous. What I'm going to do is just work my way around and colour in these areas to make it a little bit more solid, makes it stand out. So just working my way all the way around. And now I'm going to pop my hill mask around about there, and then taking a stencil brush and the dark denim, I'm going to just run that stencil brush along the edge. This will just give us a nice depth of colour. And this time I've actually picked 2 smaller hairs. I'm going to pop those down in the middle there. This time I'm going to ink up in the black. Okay, make sure that it's covered on one side and then on the other side. Good press. So I'm going to put another little shadow just under where they're sitting. And this will stop it making look like it's flat, you know. It's giving it a little bit more depth. So just by moving that mask down a couple of times, you can see the graduation there. And it just gives it a dimension as opposed to looking really flat. And now I'm going to pop some words around the edge. So we've got a bit of faith, a bit of hope, and a bit of happiness there. So I'm going to ink up in the twilight. And now faith. And let's see where we can pop a bit of happiness. Oh, I want the faith back. Okay, got room for one here, and I think that's more or less. Oh, there's a little space there. There we go. And now I'm taking the Posca pen. This is aqua green. I'm just going to put a few little dots, following that circle all the way around. And then I'm going to pop a few little bits of grass. And then taking our pen, this is a metallic pen, this is one of our uni balls, and I'm going to just highlight the ends of the flourish here. And this will just highlight, you only need a little just on the edge. I think we're there. A few more. So I'm going to hold that up so if I can catch the light right, you can just see. So now I feel that we need a little bit of colour, so we've got some stickles, and I think we're going to go with the cranberry actually. What I'm going to do is just pop a few of these dots about. I do love red and blue together. I think it works so nice, especially for a Christmas scene. So if you've not tried that colour combination before, just give it a go. It can be any blues and any reds. Then lastly, I am going to add a little bit of snow, just because we love this bit. Well, I do. Okay, so all I'm going to do is use the handle of the brush and just tap a little over the top. And I think that finishes off the card really nice, giving it that sort of winter finish. So I hope you've enjoyed today's demonstration, and I hope it's inspired you to have a go yourselves. Have a go at that blue and red theme. I'm sure you'll love it. Thanks so much for watching. You take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.